Okay, so everybody, let's take a look at this one. We know that it's a coordinate system, correct, Chopper? Okay, so I want everybody to take X as a mirror. Okay, so I give you a point, which is, sorry, I have to
2, 2.
undo it.
Oh, 3,
And
2.
just to take a picture of it. So everybody, I am going to give a point. The point is A. So the paired order for this A is 3 and 2, correct? So 3 is the number on the axis and 2 is number on the y-axis. So if you can just put here as X and Y, just for yourself, okay? So you don't have to do it on the paper, but just for yourself. So chapter, if I take X as a mirror, so you are going to get a shadow for A, which is opposite for the axis, correct, chapter? So can you give me the paired order for A? Let's see B. So B is a mirror with A on axis. Can you tell me the pair order of B?
-3, 2.
We're taking X as the mirror. So for example,
3 and -2.
Okay,
So-
3, -2.
3
Yeah.
and -2. Okay, so everybody, when you are taking axis as a mirror, whatever on the axis is not going to change at all. Get it, chapter? But you're going to opposite the y-axis, the value. For instance, for the A, the value of y is 2, but for the mirror of A is -2. Correct? Okay, so Oliver, could you please tell me, if I took y as a mirror, I want to find a C, which is a symmetry for the B as the mirror of y-axis. Could you please tell me the paired order?
My X is -3 and Y is -2.
Okay, so the paired order is -3 and -2, correct? Yeah, everybody, let's take a look at this one, okay? So let's take a look at this one. So this time, X is changing from 3 to -3, but Y is not changing. Get it, everybody? So now I want you to, I think you have something in your brain already, right? You have a conclusion. So I want you to give me the conclusion yourself. How about you just to write down the conclusion in the chat box for me? Because I want everybody to start to make the conclusion yourself instead of let me, as your teacher, told you. Because if you find out the conclusion yourself, then it will be solid for you to remember everything.
So it's D, right?
Yeah, the conclusion is what? The conclusion is if we are symmetry with axis, what stay the same, what be opposite? If we take y-axis symmetry, so what stay the same and whatever stay the opposite. Not D, not D. I want you to give me the conclusion, Jason, using a word, using a sentence to tell
What
me.
is... Boy.
Yeah, for instance,
Oh.
let me just to give you something, okay? So if I am taking axis as a symmetry line, so if I have a point A with ordered pair with x1 and y1, and if a symmetry axis, I'm going to have a B with x1 and -y1. Correct, everybody? And if the same A, I want a symmetry with y, so C equals what? Equals -x1, but y1. Okay, let's see, Elaine, tell me. When you reflect over y-axis, y is the same, so the y is the same and axis multiplied by -1. When they're reflecting over x, x is the same and y is multiplied by -1. Very good. So Elaine, this is your conclusion. Get it? And if Oliver, for instance, boys, they said, oh, no, I don't want to use sentences, especially Elaine is from the IB school, right? So she probably get used to write everything in words. But some students say, hey, I just don't want to write anything. So how we do it? You can just using my way. Get it, Oliver? Okay, so immediately I give you example. Okay, so if I give A chapter is -4 and 5, and I want you to give me the B, which is a symmetry or reflected over y-axis. So everybody, could you immediately give me the paired order.
Well, do we? Oh, okay.
So it's what?
Neg
4 and
negative
5. Very good. 4 and 5. Very good. 4 and 5. Good job, chapter. Good job. Okay, 4 and 5. Okay, if the same A, I want it a symmetry or reflected over axis. So what is the
Wait,
C?
why did you put negative on -4 on A?
Because it's over
And-
Y. When it's over Y,
Oh.
Y gonna when it's over X, when it's over Y, X change it, Y stay the same.
Okay.
Okay, when it's reflect over Y, over X, so it is what? X stay the same, and Y
Mm.
negative it. Get it, everybody? Okay, when you are reflected over Y, no matter X or Y, this number stay the same. Get it, boys and girls? Okay, so now we're going to do the next one, okay?